Hello, beautiful people. It's been a while. I know I'm so smiley, like I can't control it. This feels so good to be back talking to the camera. As you can tell by the title, I am doing a year in beauty like review or list of my favorite products this year. A lot of these products have saved me in so many ways, and yes, it's titled beauty, but beauty for me includes skincare, of course. It's wellness, it's therapeutic practices. If you're looking for makeup, you're on the wrong channel. Here are my favorite beauty products of the year. Here's the first product. Wow, hello. Okay, this is the Bobbi Brown, make sure I say the name, Bobbi Brown Extra Cleansing Balm. This is my favorite like pre-cleanser of the year, and trust me, I'm like looking at my cabinet right now. I have so many, but this one takes the cake. Pre-cleansing really does change your skin game, especially if you are like a makeup wearer, whether that's a full face or something light, just like this. Pre-cleansing is really important. Let me tell you, it smells so good. That's what probably got me. Like I used this product, or esthetician used this product on a facial, and I'm like, what is that? It's like a, is it orange? I think it's orange. It's so relaxing. It also feels luxurious on the skin. I love Bobbi Brown. They have a few more products in this line that I'm crazy about. I just don't have to show. But pre-cleanser, girl, I will give it to Bobbi. Bobbi. I do have a body moisturizer. I have to come back to this one. Like I feel like I used it when it first came out. This could be a couple months ago, and I was using a lot of like lotions, body lotions and creams throughout the year. But this one, this is the Beam Cream Smoothing Body Moisturizer by Ole Henriksen. Let me put it on for you. Boom. First, just look at it. Wait, can you see? Maybe not. I'm gonna put some on. I'm the girl. I need a thick body cream. Like, I'm gonna yell it from the mountaintops to all brands. Please do not give me a watered down, thin body cream. That doesn't do us any good. Look at this. Look at this. And imagine that on your entire body, like head to toe. I may mix it in with a little coconut oil. I guess this is hair care. Hair care, I have one. It's the GHD Platinum Plus Flat Iron. Oh my goodness. I'm the girl that, like, I don't like to touch my hair at all because it's been a long journey. Like, I've dealt with everything. Breakage, I guess it's really just been breakage. But a lot of it comes from trying to style my hair by myself at home. Like, I'm not a professional. So I consistently do go to the salon, and my stylist here in New York, Mika, is fabulous. She's the one that got my hair to grow back. Like, my hair is back because of her. But when there is a time that I'm not at the salon and I have to do a touch-up, this is the flat iron that I use. I love this flat iron because, like, it has one setting. You literally just press the button and it's nothing else you have to do. The plates are so smooth. It even adds shine back to my hair. It's something, maybe titanium. I don't know the details. I don't know the details. You can even curl with this flat iron too, because look, it's like a little barrel almost. It's one of those, but you can also press it out if you need to. I used it. Like, I mean, it's been a couple days, so that's why you see some little bends, but you see, I mean, the hair looks good, right? I have another moisturizer, the Epidermal Repair by SkinCeuticals. I have to remember to bring stuff back because it's so bright. I put this one on the list because I think epidermal repair, like skin barrier repair, is so important in skincare. You can't get anywhere with products if you don't have a healthy barrier. Your barrier is what keeps water in the skin, is what keeps the nutrients in the skin. If your barrier is compromised in any way, probably nothing works. I love that it's lightweight, so say if you're not a fan of thicker creams, it's a lightweight cream that still does the job, because sometimes we associate thicker creams as being more moisturizing, when that doesn't necessarily have to be true. This is a light cream that moisturizes just as well as my thickest night cream in my cabinet. This is a product I have been using every day. Sorry, but it works. I do want to talk about some body treatments, therapeutic treatments that I have been crazy about all year. Acupuncture and body cupping. Ask any of my friends, like, I will talk you down about some acupuncture and cupping. First, acupuncture. I do it for absolutely everything. It's great for like muscle tensions and aches, but also you can use acupuncture for your sinuses. You can use acupuncture for stress. You can use acupuncture for sleep. You can use acupuncture for skin, like if you're dealing with breakouts or acne. There are some acupoints in your face that can help. Every little thing. Oh, my nose is congested. I gotta go book some acupuncture. Oh, I'm just a little sore. I gotta go get some acupuncture. I can't focus. I have to go get some acupuncture. But I swear to God, like this, Lord, maybe I shouldn't say it. I go to Within here in New York City. I absolutely love them. They have like a wellness market also inside of their studios. I highly recommend, if you're in New York, go check out Within, WTHN. So with the acupuncture, I also do some cupping, and I have some cups here, but these are my face cups. They do have a body system that they set within cells, but I was like, how can I possibly do it to myself? Because I do a lot of my cupping. I wish I had some marks to show you. I don't. But I usually go for my back, and they accompany the acupuncture. Highly recommend it. It has changed the way I take care of my body. One, how I can listen to my body. Like, it makes you so aware, almost even proactive over reactive. And you have to definitely be consistent with your practice to get the most out of it. But I mean, once every 4 weeks, if you can, 2 times a month, you definitely get results. It's been over a year, but I have brought it into this year, and I've had 12 months to see how it's changed. My wellness, my mood, my attitude, my skin. It's been juicing. I have been juicing every day since the top of the year, pretty much. Okay, a couple days I maybe have missed, but for the most part, every day I have to have my green juice, and I juice myself at home. Like, I go buy my fruits and vegetables at the market, and I come back, use my juicer, fresh every single day. And I do the same, let's say formula. What is it called? I don't cook in the kitchen. What is it called? What is that called? I use the same ingredients, but what is it called? Recipe. Recipe. So I'm doing cucumber, celery, kale, spinach, green apple, lemon every single day. One, I've been seeing a huge difference in my skin, right? The way it just glows, the way it takes in product, but also like my mood. When I'm not juicing, I can tell I'm a little irritated, I'm anxious sometimes. I have low energy. My days just tend to be a lot more enjoyable, productive when I'm getting all the nutrients I'm supposed to. And I guess we just don't think about it. Like, this is book by Dr. Howard Murad, and he's a doctor of Murad Skincare, like the Murad Skincare. And he's taking a more internal approach to skincare. That's been his philosophy from the beginning. And he's breaking it down all the way to cellular health. This was the mind-blowing part. He says, like, if we properly hydrate every cells in our body, then that will encourage the rest of our body to function like as it should, without anything like supplementary or added. So like, if you're getting the proper nutrients, if your cells are getting the proper nutrients, then we won't need any bloating aids, digestive aids rather, or even like sleeping aids. none of these supplements that we're seeing pop up or been in the wellness space for a while, like he's saying these aren't necessary. Rather, if you target the proper nutrients and water that your cells need, which, I mean, cells make up our entire body from our hearts to our liver to our lungs, then we will be in optimal health. So I'm like, this is very interesting, because I just never thought about it this way, like down to a cellular level. So I started drinking. He has like a water secret smoothie, or a juice. It's very similar to, I think it's a juice, maybe a smoothie. And I started drinking it, and I'm just like, whoa. I am starting to see a difference in my body. Like, I started running again, like after I was juicing consistently. And I mean like 30 minutes, y'all. 30 minutes running without any water breaks in between, or breaks at all. I was in hot yoga. I've been doing yoga for a couple years now. But I was taking hot yoga without water. I was doing hikes in Arizona in the summer, middle of the summer, without any water. Because I was seeing how juicing was training my body to retain and hold the water and not just like waste it or like pee it out. And it's been a game changer. I will sit here and tell you, like, juicing may save the world. It's the easiest way to get hydrated and to really target the nutrients that our body needs, or more specifically, our cells need to function optimally and live a longer life. Like, I hate to go on a tangent, don't mean to, but health and wellness has been a big part of my life over these last 5 years. And if you've been with me from the beginning, you would know that I lost my father really early to a health-related illness. And that's really changed the way I approach self-care or care in general for my body. I've been practicing, I've been really disciplined over these last years. So to get to this point, to feel the healthiest and strongest that I have been in all areas, right? Physically, mentally, emotionally. Am I getting emotional? It feels amazing. And I give that to you too. So please, take it as you will. The book that I mentioned that I'll also include in Best of Beauty, The Water Secret, Howard Murad. I will put that down below for you also. Check it out, read it. It's worth it. And I've never read a book like it, like ever. I do have 2 makeup favorites that we're gonna just put on the list to wrap this thing up. Let me make sure, is that everything? I think that's everything. Okay, first is the Fenty Beauty, it's the Pro Filter. I just wanna make sure I know the name. The Pro Filter Setting Powder. Oh. I'm getting serious about my makeup this year, kind of. And I've always wondered, like, why can I not get that finished look? I realized I was missing setting powder. I may not can do too much to my eyes, but the face is set. So, Fenty Beauty, amazing. No cake at all. You guys probably already know this, but I want to say it too. The Kosos Air Brow. This is like a brow gel. One thing I'm always going to give you is a bright under eye, flush skin, and a brow. And I've really been working on my brows for a couple years, but I think I really got it like down. Like, it's grown woman brow, full healthy brow. But this is the secret, because my brows really don't, like, you know, they've been growing out. I've been doing what I have to do, but this isn't really, let me come up close. This really isn't what they look like. This is all this gel. They have 2. They have a clear one, which I like too. Sometimes I use both, but they have like a brown. This is brown black. Good. So those would be my best of beauty. Those would be my best of beauty 2023 products. There we go. I'm taking all these products with me in 2023. Wait, I'm sorry, I'm getting confused. 2022, Best of Beauty 2022. And I'll be taking all these products with me in 2023. I'm so happy to chat with you guys. I know it's been a while, but yeah, I'm happy. I'm happy to be here. I really hope you enjoyed this video, and I don't even know how to sign off on this thing. See you soon.